Welcome, nature explorers, to Storytime. Today, we're venturing into a magical forest where trees whisper secrets and friendships bloom. Buckle up because we're about to meet Tilly and the Talking Trees. Tilly wasn't your average city girl. Unlike her friends who loved video games and crowded playgrounds, Tilly dreamt of wide-open spaces and rustling leaves. She longed to explore the whispers of the wind and the secrets hidden in the heart of a forest. One sunny afternoon, Tilly's parents packed a picnic basket and announced, "Surprise! We're going to the Whispering Woods." Tilly's heart soared with excitement. The Whispering Woods was a place of ancient trees and babbling brooks. As Tilly stepped into the forest, sunlight dappled through the leaves, casting a magical glow on the forest floor. She took a deep breath, filling her lungs with the fresh, earthy smell. Suddenly, Tilly heard a voice. Not a human voice, but a gentle rustling sound coming from a nearby oak tree. "Hello there, little one," it whispered. Tilly gasped. Did the tree just talk? Shyly, Tilly approached the oak. Did you just talk?" she stammered. The oak rustled its leaves again. "Indeed I did, little Tilly. Welcome to the Whispering Woods, where the trees have stories to tell." Tilly's eyes widened with wonder. The oak then told her stories of brave squirrels who climbed the tallest branches and wise owls who hooted secrets under the starry sky. Tilly listened intently, her imagination running wild. As the day wore on, Tilly befriended other talking trees. A playful willow that swayed in the breeze, a grumpy but kind old maple, and a group of giggling birch trees. They shared stories, secrets, and riddles, making Tilly laugh. When it was time to leave, Tilly felt a pang of sadness, but the trees promised they would be waiting for her next visit. They whispered goodbye, their leaves rustling a gentle farewell. Back in the city, Tilly couldn't wait to tell her friends about her talking tree adventures. But they didn't believe her. "Trees can't talk," they scoffed. Tilly, however, knew better. The Whispering Woods had opened a door to a world of magic and friendship, a secret she held close to her heart. See, everyone, sometimes the most amazing adventures happen in the most unexpected places. So next time you're outdoors, listen closely. You might just hear a whisper of a story waiting to be told. Until next time, happy exploring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.